Hey folks, once again for tuning into Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with the new one. Look at that. That is a bass. That's right, it's a B-VII. That's right, it is a 7-string bass. It's 32 inches of glorious thunder. That's right. And in case you're wondering, what's all this funky stuff going on here? Well, I'm going to do a very special demo for you today. I'm actually going to record into the DAW, the digital audio workstation here of mine, and I'm going to record a tune and I'm going to bring you along because this thing is so funky. It's not only got a standard amp output, right, but it's also got a output here. This thing is right here. This is a TRS, tip ring sleeve, stereo, whatever you want to call it. Basically what it does, it splits straight off for the pickups. So we've got the left channel is going to be the soap bar, and then the right channel is going to be the humbucker. And the way that works is I'm going to record it into the DAW with the tune, and I'm going to caption, let you know where you're going to be hearing which pickup. And I'm going to pan them hard left and hard right anyway, but I'm also going to blend it all in. We're going to do something really funky here. I'm going to bring you along, so bear with me. I'm going to move some cameras around and bring you with it. So this should be fun. This is something totally different, and let's see what we could do here, all right? So once again, bear with me. I'm going to switch cameras. All the details are in the description. Let's get some funkiness going. Hey, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.